Hello guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome to another weekly update, episode 54, season 2 of it. So we've started the week with some activities at the shop, just like I said in the last weekly update. So we'll be proceeding with those activities and you will see what we have to offer you this particular week. So as I've said, the activities that are coming are a lot of work we'll be doing in the shop. Like we are making some crossbody bag, some waist bag. So I'll be showing you in few seconds now, and you will see some stuff we'll be start working on so far in this week update. There are a lot of work we need to start doing from this week up to next week. So if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below after you finish watching this video if you do enjoy it and what you think and what activities you like to see on the channel so far, by the way. And if you have any bag or any design you want us to make, you can leave in the comment section down below. My WhatsApp will also be in the list in the description, so you can get in contact with me and talk to me directly. So by the way, let's start up with the week with what we have in the shop. So I'll be turning the camera right now to see what we'll be doing in the shop. Just have said, we have some work we've started so far. So there are some, apart from this one are here. We make few of them again. So we started working on some waist bag. Here are the different design. These are the strap extension for the side, different color and different color and different pattern of material. So they are all here. So actually I'm not the one making it direct, it's the student that are making it. So once they come here, we'll show you how it is. And if I didn't get time to vlog and show you that, maybe after we finish it, you'll see how they are looking, how beautiful they are as well. So these bags, let me keep them aside and help them out before they come. And these are even not supposed to be here because I'm about to start some work now that these bags will not allow me to do that. By the way, that's those bag. The bag will show in the last week update. We make in the last week update. The shop. I just decided to show you how the shop is looking. Well, let me stop this video here. We'll continue with the rest with the rest of the activities as we proceed. Which one are you doing now? bag are looking very, I love them. I'm getting it there small, step by step. I need to finish all of them today. You want to do is be doing this one by one. You should be able to finish the bag very soon. The backpack you make now, you take them along with this ones. So here are the final bag. They are looking very what good. She tried. We've tried. And this is where we'll be ending the video.